everyone. So you're probably not expecting me to be making a video from a tractor today, but here I am. Most of the things you see for me are stamping and things from my craft table, but I do get some fresh scenery sometimes. As a lot of you know, we farm. My husband and I and my husband's dad all farm together. So it is planting season, and we had some rain the last couple of days, but it is drying off and time to get back in the field. So when it's time to get the work done, we all try to pitch in. My mother-in-law's in the tractor sometimes. I'm in the tractor sometimes when I don't have to be running kids around and doing other things. It's kind of nice to get out here sometimes. So what I am doing is, my husband refers to this as chopping stalks. So this is an implement that basically it runs these discs. Can you see that? Trying to figure out, there we go. Basically just chops up the crop residue from last year's crop, what's left here from the soybeans that were in the field last year, and helps to loosen up the soil a little bit so that when the planter comes through, when my husband plants, the seeds have a nice little bed to be planted in where they can have good contact with the soil. That's really important in the process and getting the crop started. So I am doing the prep work. I will not be the one coming back through and planting. That requires a little bit more skill and brains than what I'm doing right now. So if you are wondering why I can just be making this video and not really doing a whole lot here, we do have automatic guidance on this tractor. So I turn around at the ends. I have to raise up the implement, turn around, and get myself back basically in line with the next pass. And then I can hit a button and it takes over and will guide the tractor in a straight line until I get to the other end. So we use that with our different equipment. It's really nice for planting and harvest, for various reasons that I won't get into right now, but just thought I would show you some of what else I do when I am not crafting. So I hope you're having a wonderful Saturday. I hope the weather is beautiful where you're at. Is absolutely gorgeous here. So get out there and enjoy it, and I will see you another time.